Hi guys, welcome back. This is going to be kind of a short Tuesday video. I just wanted to share with you guys the fall version of Marry Me. And I know I've always talked about how I plane the bottoms of these. And my grandson Zayden is with me. Aren't you, Z-Man?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. So what I do is I just plane them to make them flat on the bottom. So they're flat on the bottom. And that's about it. What I'm going to do with, ooh, I just moved my light. What I'm going to do with the frosting to, put the design on them. So I'm going to do the heat transfer method. And again, not make you guys watch it. Sometimes they have to go over twice because that's just how it is. There we go. That's better. And I'll come back when the frosting is all put together and ready to go. I'll see you then. Okay, my grandson is here with me. Aren't you, Z-Man?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, pretty soon we've got a soap to make, he and I do. That will come up in a few weeks. However, I am going to add my liquid oils to this. Yeah, that's so many liquid oils, right? This is only 7 ounces of soap. I find that when I make these, when I make the piping for Marry Me, I just have so much soap left over. But now, looking at how little soap that is, I think I'm not going to have enough. Well, I guess we'll see, right? Okay, so let me get this blended up. All right, and I have little cups to for our colors. I'm using white, yellow, orange, green, and blue. I was trying to figure out, what was going to be my 5th color. And I thought, okay, well, if I'm using orange definitely is, that's the contrast. Blue is the contrasting color. And both yellow and green are complementary to blue on the color wheel, so blue it is. That's gorgeous blue. So I have my white, and I have my yellow, I have my orange. Can you guys even see these cups? Okay. I don't need a whole lot of green because I'm just using it for leaves. But if I have extra, it's not like I can't pipe leaves on some wax paper and keep them for when I need leaves for another soap. Oh, you know what? This is going to be the perfect.
Or just for an occasion.
Right. Exactly. But I think this is going to be the perfect amount of soap, actually, you guys. So, and it's going to thicken up pretty good, pretty fast too, because I did the heat transfer method. Which is a good thing as well. Let's get some more blue, and the rest of it I'll scrape off into the green, and then I have to obviously use my frother to mix the colors. Oh, mix the colors in. Well, we have less green there. All right, let's put this back in the cup, Z-Man. See, this is why Mimi wears chemical. Why is it when I have my grandchildren around do I spill soap all over my counter?
Nobody knows.
I know. This happened when Kiki was when I was making soap with Kiki too. I spilled soap all over the counter. Okay.
When we're not here, you're like so concentrated.
Well, maybe that's it. I don't know. That could be it. Get my.
That sounds so quiet. I don't even know.
Yeah, I should have put new batteries in it.
Meow.
Because the batter is pretty thick. I should have put new batteries in it.
I'm right here.
Alright, I'm going to come back when I have everything all set up and whatnot, guys. Okay, I think this is set up enough for me to at least put some of the flower things that I put on there. I have couplers. I have couplers on all of these because I'm going to use leaves too. After all, this is my fall one. So we have brown, red, orange, yellow, and green, our little fall colors. And y'all know I like to, scratch this up some where I'm going to put my piping and whatnot. I mean, I know it's going to stick. It just, you know, it makes me feel better. So I do it anyway. And spray with some alcohol. Oh, that was a little much alcohol there, Sulan. Okay. So I think I'm going to start with red on top of this one. And yes, I'm not wearing gloves. However, there's not a lot of piping in these bags. So we're going to start with our red. Oh, come on. See, and that's the other thing I have toothpicks for. See how that's like sticking off there? Just go boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop. Okay. Yeah, that's better. Oh, I need a paper towel for that. I usually keep a paper towel right there for those. Okay, and these cakes are not completely white. I don't know what color they look on y'all's end yet. I won't know that until I edit it. I put a little bit of orange mica in with the mix, which, you know, I've never done that. It's always been just a straight white cake. Oh, wow. I hate this tip. I don't know why I chose this tip. This is one of the tips that are terrible. It actually looks like leaves, though. Oh, that's not going to work. That is not going to work right there. There we go. It gets clogged all the time, and like if you don't put exact even pressure on it, it messes up. See, like that. We'll have to fix it with a leaf, which is fine. Whatever. Okay, orange. And we are twisting our piping bags, guys. This is, I think, the biggest tip, the oranges. Yeah, let's go all the way over there. Okay, let's do our green next. And then we're going to have, well, you know what, I'm going to have to put gloves on if I'm going to, our green is a pretty big tip too. I want more green leaves than I do anything else. Okay, a little bit of brown. Ooh. I don't know, maybe I should just leave it like that. It's one of those things I wish I could talk to you guys about. Let me see what it looks like with a little bit of brown in it. Oh, that's not bad. I just won't use a lot of brown. How's that? And I won't put brown leaves on it. That's not going to work. Come on now. Cooperate. And I'm just going to do this one with you guys. That way, you know. And then I'll show you. I'll take pictures and I'll put the picture at the end of it. So that way you can see how they all turned out. So let me put some gloves on really quick. I'll be changing my tips out. Totally forgot about that part. Okay, we got all our leaf tips on. I'm going to start with the green. I hope this is set up enough. I waited forever for it to set up. Nope, it's not, you guys. It's not set up enough. Alright, we're going to have to come back to do the leaves. I guess some of it is set up. I'm sorry, I piped some red and some orange leaves. Let me try this yellow. Oh, it's sticking up. Look at that. Yeah, they're sticking up. I think it's just the green that's not fully set up. And I did put a leaf tip on, I think it's brown. I did put a leaf tip on the brown just in case. And we definitely do need, oh, this brown is definitely set up. I'm going to put some brown up here on the very top. Just a little bit. Okay, so we need some stuff. See, there's some spaces in here. Let's see. What do we want? We want... Let me put a green leaf right there. And the yellow right. Oh, where'd it go? Right? Oh no, I want orange. I'm sorry. Orange right there. Oh, my glasses just came off. That's terrible. Well, that didn't work. Oh, you guys. I'm having a day. Having a day. Hear the commotion upstairs. It's my family. Let's put a leaf right there. I want a green one right there. Come on, stick. There we go. And we're going to put red down here. Red leaf. I'm not sure if I actually really like how this is turning out. Oh, I don't know. Put a brown one right here too. And I think I'm gonna set my special item. I'm not sure if I want to do it on the very bottom of it or if I want to do it on the second layer here. Okay, see, I made these. Oh, gotta take it off the thing. I made these itty bitty teeny little pumpkins. And what I want to do is set it in there. I'm going to have to squirt some frosting right here to keep it in there. Oh, I don't want orange. I want it to contrast a little bit. But I do want to put one little leaf, if I can, on this pumpkin. Let me bring you guys in closer. Can you see it? So there we go. Yay, our fall ones. So, yeah, I'm just going to do the one with you guys. And yeah, a little happy Tuesday video. So you guys have a great day. I'll see you Friday. Bye bye.